Cutting your dog's nails at home can be pretty scary because obviously you don't want to cut them too short because you have their little nerves in there and that can be dangerous. So now that is made so easy with the Silent Groom Pro. This was sent for my review and I love it. I love how small and compact it is, really easy to hold in your hand and so easy to use. And I love that you can use it, doesn't matter the size of your dog. So basically when you take this off, it is rechargeable and it does come with the cable, which is really nice. So when you take this off, you have a few different options. So this little black piece, I'm going to take off in a minute. This is what they're just calling like the little, like the guard. And so let's say you have a really small dog, you would be using this part here. And then this under here is like a little like a diamond drill bit kind of piece here. And that's like, it's like basically like sandpaper that's going to be rotating, which I'll show you in a minute. So this right here is like you would just put their nail inside here. If you got like maybe like a little Chihuahua or a small little guy, it would fit perfectly in there. If your dog is a little bit bigger, I think this is what I'm going to be using. I have a French Bulldog, so I'm going to be trying this part on him. If this is still too small, that's fine. If you've got a bigger dog, this just twists and then comes right off. So if you do have like a big dog, like a, a Rottweiler or a German Shepherd, you have this whole surface area that you can use. And as I already said, so easy to use. You have two different modes right here. So it's the first one. This just, hold on, slides up. And then the second one. And you know what? It is a lot quieter than ones that I've tried. Obviously, as soon as you put a nail on here, it's a little bit louder, but I do feel like it is quieter than most of the ones I've tried before. I feel like usually as soon as you turn that on, it makes an extremely loud like noise, and then that obviously can scare your dog. So yeah, I think this is like really easy to use. It makes it like easy to do at home so that you don't constantly have to take him out to the groomers.